it's Maddie from Slick As. Welcome back to our shop. So this week we've had a range of trucks come through. They've already been and gone, but what we do have this Friday to show you is the two 4Bs we've been working on for the week. So I've got the Rugged X behind me and I've got the 80 series in the booth. The Rugged X has gone for our most common kit, which is called our Ultimate Kit. So we have PPF'd the bonnet, the doors, the fenders, and the tub, the sides of the tub. That's our most common option there. So pretty cool. This customer has come from the sunny coast. The 80 series has come from Chinchilla. And this week I had a really big realization that we have had so many customers come from all over Queensland in the last month, and that has been super exciting. We're sort of used to that with trucks, but for 4Bs, it's super cool to see that last week someone even come from Cairns. So it's just been a really proud moment for us to see how far our work is traveling, which is super cool. Now back to this car, the general process with what we do when we get a vehicle we haven't seen in the shop before, as in a specific make or model. If we don't have the templates, we make our own templates here at Slick As. If we don't have those templates, we will actually create them, spend the extra time. It takes about a day to digitize and template a new model. Oh, Siri's talking to me. We spend that time in the development, but that means next time we have one, obviously we gain some efficiency and can do it quicker. But another reason why we do template vehicles is it makes it easier. It makes it easier to install, but also easier to get a quality finish because you're not mucking around with film that's sort of stuck on, trims or things like that. So a really good example of this. So proud of Semi this week. I know a lot of you would know her. She does all of our in-house template designs, and she has really outdone herself. So if you want to have a look at this badge, now templating is very time consuming and you've got to have a huge level of detail, attention to detail. Semi has, look at that. I don't even think you can see that on the camera, but that is templated into each little piece within the mill. So that is super impressive and something we are very proud to be able to do in the shop. It did take us quite some time, and when I say us, I mean Semi, some time to understand how to do that. I am actually shocking with templates and computers, so don't ask me. But that is awesome. So we now have the Rugged X templates. We install them in our shop, as well as we actually cut these templates out and send them to other wrap shops across Australia. So it's pretty satisfying when we can have such nice templates made here in Australia and not rely solely on US databases. So that's that for the Rugged X. Now, also the bonnet, I'm getting prompted from Imi because I forget everything. This Rugged X did come with vinyl on the bonnet, so we actually removed that. It became apparent there was also a ceramic coating of some sort on here. So once we tried to install the PPF, it didn't work. It kind of like distorted our film. You shouldn't really put PPF over the top of a ceramic. If anyone is wondering, don't do that. So then we actually had to rip the film off, which always hurts a little bit, take it to Insane Detailing. He's polished the bonnet for us, and then we've reinstalled the PPF. So it was one of those things that sort of didn't quite go right like how we'd planned this week in the shop, but at the end of the day, we got a perfect finish, and we're, well, as close as perfect as you could ever get on PPF, and we're really stoked with that. Am I done, Imi?
Yes.
I've got the boss's tick of approval. All right, let's see this 80 series. Alrighty, welcome to the booth. Now this can be quite echoey, so hopefully you can hear. Whoa, and I break things. Now, this is pretty cool. This car, as I said earlier, has come from Chinchilla. It is a freshly resprayed 80 series, so everyone knows how hard it is to get their hands on a really clean 80 series. This one is exactly that. We've had heaps of customers come in this week and go, oh my God, I want to have a look. So the customer has had a respray, he's done the right thing, he's called us, he's let the paint cure for 30 days, and now he has brought it to us to protect. So this one we're doing a little more than what we usually would. We're wrapping the entire car, so that one is going to flow into the weekend for us. But if you want to come have a look. So this car has the champagne color. It's been properly resprayed, so that means we can actually PPF it. You just got to be careful with resprayed paint with paint protection film. Obviously there can be risk to remove paint if it is not primed and prepped properly. When you put anything sticky, like it could be a bumper sticker, and if the paint hasn't adhered properly, it can come off. So that's why it's really important, if you are considering paint protection film, make sure you get a proper respray from a reputable shop. Make sure they know that you're putting film on it after, and make sure you wait for the curing period. But as far as this car goes, it looks super neat. We're going to wrap the bonnet and sides. We've already made a fair bit of progress in that. We have done the roof. That was 2.6 meters of film. I think that is definitely the biggest roof I have done to date. So Sammy and I did that yesterday. That was pretty fun. But overall, a really tidy car. And yeah, but next week, if you want to stay tuned, we have some trucks in. I'll probably show you guys how we wrap a bull bar. We have another 79 in. But yeah, heaps of cool stuff coming, guys, so stay tuned.